Hello and welcome to day 4, Thursday, March 18th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have two assignments in async. The first one is a post where you have to look for a job on a job website, Indeed, or some of the other ones we talked about on Tuesday. You'll find the job that you're interested in, where it's located, and why you are interested in it. And then you will type post similar to this in the comment section. You guys have been doing a very good job spelling and grammar. Please keep it up. Remember to use the spell check button. Okay, so you're going to look for a job and then tell us about the job and why you like it. Okay, why you are interested in it. Your second activity is to complete page 27, B through D. We did part A on Tuesday, so you're finishing up, and then you'll take a picture and upload it. That's it for async. It is a Thursday, so we have class together. Remember, it's big class with our Spark groups. So we will start with a little speaking activity with modals and then get into our groups. Okay, and that's it. Good luck.